Hello everyone, my name is Davide, and in today's video I will show you a simple trick on how we can change blank values in Power BI to zeros. So let's take a look at the dataset that I'm using. It's a simple one with the volume of sales by country. So as we can see in here, there are three countries that have no sales. So now if I go into my front end and I filter the countries, I can see for each one the volume of the sales. So if I start with Argentina, I can see that there's nothing or blank. Then Australia has 928 and so on. So what I would like to do is to simply replace these blanks with a zero, because that's actually what the sales is for these countries. So what I'm gonna do, I will create a column in here, and I will name it something similar to sales. Name as sales zeros. And what I'll do in here, I'll simply add the sales plus 0. That's it. So now if I put side by side the two cells, now the two sales fields. So if I do a copy and paste of this card, and I'll put it actually under this one, and I will replace the original field with the new one that I created. Now we'll see that when I click on Argentina that was previously blank, now will show 0. And same for other countries where there's a blank. Here we go. Thank you for watching.